prepared students at all of the Wolcott Tech, and we made a menu in honor of Hispanic Heritage Month.
It was important for all of us to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month to represent where we're from.
It was also really cool being able to give people a view to our backgrounds through a plate of food. Chef M also helped us start it because he's always trying to make sure that we feel involved in the culinary arts program and make sure that we're incorporating our ethnicities into what we're producing and what food that we're putting out there for people. So he sat us down and asked us what we thought about it, and we all thought it'd be pretty cool. So then the next day we just came up with a menu and sent it out.
The hardest part we would say about making the menu is cultivating a description so that the consumer relates to and finds more appetizing. Since we come from many different areas, they might not know or understand what we're trying to portray to the consumers.
If there's anything new that I learned from this experience, it would be that it's completely different working in an at-home kitchen setting and working in an industrial culinary setting and just putting out meals for customers.
Favorite part was getting to see everything from different countries and getting to enjoy it and seeing how the general public likes food from all over the world and how they might enjoy food from our country.